Trump just sold a bunch of Meta stock, and here's what he bought instead. Now, Trump's June filings have just come out, and he did 1,051 trades in one single month. Now, naturally, we went through all the stock disclosures, so you don't have to. And if you want the full list, comment DD and we'll send it to you. But here's the ones we found most interesting. Number one, SpaceX. Trump's accounts bought SpaceX literally 11 days after the IPO. And SpaceX isn't just Elon Musk's rocket company. It's a company that does millions of dollars of business and government contracts with the US government. Number two, Berkshire Hathaway. That is Warren Buffett's investment company, and Trump's accounts put almost $1 million into it. And the interesting part is, it happened on the exact same day that they sold Meta. So Meta's out, Berkshire's in, and as you know, Meta's facing almost $1 trillion lawsuit. So might be good timing. Number three, Visa and MasterCard. Now, these are both payments companies, and Trump's accounts put more than $1 million in each. And these companies basically take a commission on every time you make a payment. And it looks like Trump's accounts are going a little more towards the financial industries. But number four, on the fun side, they've bought Yum Brands, which is basically the company behind KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell. And number five, on the sell side, they sold Motorola Solutions, which is basically a company that sells communications tech to the government and public safety agencies. So, very interesting one. To be fair, the White House says that Trump and his family members have no say in where this money goes, and it's done by independent investment managers and computer driven strategies. And that may be true, but there's still a lot of stuff in these filings. So, if you want the full list of what we could find of what he bought and sold, comment DD and we'll send it to your DMs. And as always, follow the daily dividend so you're informed every time that smart money moves. Because staying informed means staying ahead. Bye.